Let me ask you a serious question. How long do you have to work to earn $300? A whole month of hard labor? What if I told you that you can grab double or even triple that amount right here, right now? This Ourbit event is giving away up to $1,000 in cash value. That is literally 3 months of an average salary in your pocket, just for following a few steps. Why are you still sleeping on this? Why are you scrolling past free money? Do not be lazy. This is your chance to turn a few clicks into a massive paycheck. Let's get that money. Today, I found a solid expected value opportunity on Ourbit. We are talking about a massive 50 payback on your deposit and a total prize pool potentially worth over $2,000 per account. The clock is ticking. This event ends on January 16th. And it's open to both new and existing users. But there are some strict rules, like the 1-minute rule, that you need to know so you don't get disqualified. Let's break down how to milk this bonus. First, if you are new to Ourbit, grab the easy money. Use the link in the description. You must use a specific KOL link to qualify. Verify mobile. Get a 100 USDT position voucher. Pass KYC. Get a 30 USDT futures bonus. This is raw ammo. First trade. Get a 100 USDT liquidation coupon. It acts as insurance. That's 230 in value just for setting up. Easy start. Now here is the main course. Task 2. The 50 deposit payback. This is available for everyone, new and existing. If you deposit at least 100 USDT and hit 500,000 USDT in futures volume, you get a $50 booster payback on your deposit, capped at 1,000 USDT. The strategy to max this out: you deposit 2,000 USDT, grind that 500K volume, and boom, you get a 1,000 USDT bonus. One major catch: when they distribute the bonus, your futures account principal balance must be higher than the bonus value. Don't blow your account before the payout drops. While you are grinding that volume for Task 2, you are automatically qualifying for Task 3 taker volume rewards. 100K volume 70 USDT, 300K volume 100 USDT. If you are a whale hitting 10 million volume, that's another 1,000. Remember, this counts taker volume only. Listen closely. Do not skip this part or you will lose everything. No withdrawals. Any asset transfer out of your futures account during the event period, disqualified. Keep your funds locked until Jan 16th. The 1-minute rule. Ourbit has a strict anti-scalping rule. Your taker orders must be held for more than 1 minute to count. Rapid-fire HFT will be flagged. Registration. You must verify your mobile number and register via the invite link below. Fees are fixed at Maker 0.02 and Taker 0.04. Bottom line, deposit 2K trade safe, hold for 1 minute, and walk away with a massive bonus stack. The event link is in the description. Go get verified and start hunting. If you want more high-yield bonus alerts, smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Happy hunting! This was CV Bonus Hunter.